Okay, students, I wanted to talk to you about how to relink your media. So let's say that you either put your media in a different hard drive, moved it around, and when you open the file, you see this. So you see this red screen, you see red bars here. It's something very easy to fix. So the first thing that you do, let's say that you had quit your project and you open it up, this window is automatically going to show up. So all you have to do is literally go in here and find it if you know where you have it. So you're gonna have to look for it, go find it. Is it on the desktop? Where, is it on a different folder? That's one way to do it. The other way, let's say that you exited this window and you're thinking, how do I go ahead and link this? So you click on the media here and you hit Control. When you come down here, you will see a link media. So you select that, then you go back and find it. It's telling you the name of the file, where. So you want to go ahead and click Locate, which is that same window that pops up usually when you just open a project. So you can go Locate here, and then find it where you have it. And like in a situation like this, like I have no idea where it is. So, but I believe it's under graphics. So here's Brightlow Film - logo. So it's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and select OK. And more than likely, it will link the rest of the files. So now, if it didn't do that, then you'll have to do the same thing for the footage. So let me go ahead and click on the footage, Control click, link media, and then here, excuse me, tilted. Okay, click Locate. I know that is under the videos, but I don't know where. So I can go ahead and type it in here. And I select search. And there it is. Excuse me, title it found it. And select OK. And now that's link. So just FYI, it's a very easy thing to fix. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you about, on lesson 4, it tells you go back and reset your workspace. Make sure you go up here under workspaces, click on here, and then select reset to save layout. And you will get this layout again. Please let me know if you have any other questions and I will go ahead and answer them. Thank you. Bye.